I often organized people, including my friends, to create together. One day we gathered in a wonderful place. We used to live in the same city and raise our kids together, but eventually we moved to different countries. Should I mention how precious these moments of reunion are? That evening we were painting birds, like this. I love this idea because it appeals to both kids and adults. I believe that engaging in joint creative activities is a fantastic way to spend quality time and create lasting memories. Anyone can organize such parties. It doesn't require special skills or education, just a desire and passion. In this video, I share some tips and advice to make it easier for you to host your own creative event. First of all, of course, you need to prepare some stuff. In my case, I took cardboard boxes from a local supermarket and cut out simple bird shapes. A stationary knife works best for this. Scissors aren't convenient, but be sure to protect the table surface. I made quite a lot of birds intentionally so everybody could choose which one they liked. Additionally, I covered all the birds with white paper by gluing it on, but this extra step isn't essential. Obviously, we need some art materials. Here we had children's gouache paints, gouache and tubes, and some crayons. We used plates as color palettes. I dislike single-use plastic plates, so we used our usual ceramic plates from home. As containers for water, we used cut plastic water bottles, simply because they are free and still recyclable after use. You can use any containers you have, just make sure they are stable, have a diameter larger than their height, and contain only a small amount of water. Tall glasses are not suitable. When several people, including kids, are painting together, it's quite easy to accidentally drop the container and spill water. So low containers are your choice. In general, it's better to be prepared, be ready for some mess and possibly some paint on clothes and blankets. It's important for everybody's good mood to be okay with this. Gouache paints are washable, so just do your best to make the process as convenient as possible. In our case, everybody had an extra piece of paper to put their bird on to protect the fabric blanket. What I specifically like about this painting craft idea is that everyone can do it. It's impossible to fail. I believe any activity where parents and children work together doing the same thing on an equal level is absolutely fantastic for building relationships, having fun, and fostering a healthy atmosphere. This is such a pleasure to create together. Do you have kids? Please write me in a comment. Are you interested doing art with them? It's a big part of my life. I'm an artist and a mom of 2, so I have many insights to share. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like if you enjoy it. It helps a lot. And take care. Bye!